Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making cranberry sauce. For our ingredients, we have sugar, orange juice, water, fresh cranberries, salt, a cinnamon stick, and a piece of orange peel. First, I'm going to add my water. And then I'm going to add my sugar. And we're going to let that warm up a little bit and let the sugar dissolve. And then we're going to add in our orange juice. Now that we have a slow simmer, I'm going to add in my cinnamon stick and a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Now here I'm going to add my cranberries. You want to rinse and pick through your cranberries. You want to cook your cranberries for about 10 minutes or until all or most of your cranberries have popped. Once they start to warm up, you'll hit them pop a little bit. So now I'm just going to slice a piece of the orange peel and drop it into my mixture. So you want to let it cool for at least 30 minutes and cover and refrigerate until you're ready to use it. It could be made up to 3 days in advance. Now it's the next day and I'm showing you how the cranberry sauce has gelled up. It doesn't gel up hard like the canned cranberry sauce, but it is delicious. I left a cup of cranberries whole and I just dropped them in before I covered it up and put it in the refrigerator. I also left my cinnamon stick and I left a little piece of orange peel. And when I took it out to taste it this morning, it was delicious. If you are a person that does not like canned cranberry sauce, I advise you to try and make your own cranberry sauce. You'll be surprised on how it tastes. We have made cranberry sauce. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.